Hi friends, in the last videos, we covered pattern number 13. In today's session, let us talk about the next pattern 14. This pattern is almost the same like previous. In the previous pattern, in the first part, we printed stars. But now my requirement is, I want to print these stars in the second part. In the second part, I want to print these stars. Sir, already I covered logic very clearly for this requirement. What is the logic that we are going to use for this requirement? Very simple. The value of I. If you see here, if you want to write here, the value of I is less than or equal to 5 and the value of j is less than or equal to 5. But now my requirement is I want to print stars in this style. If we want to print stars in this style, then what we are going to do? We are taking the value of I less than or equal to 5 and we have to take the value j greater than or equal to 5. If we are writing like this, then we are going to get this particular style. Only one small modification, that j range we have to change. Previously j value is from 1 to 5. So now what we have to take from 5 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from here also we will get stars. From 5 to we are going to print. Let us see how it is going to work. Okay. I think here we are expecting one more star. Okay. Now let us see. The previous program is already available. You can see this is my result. So I don't want to here. That means j value is greater than or equal to 10 by 2. Only one that symbol if you change the complete this particular first part rows will be shifted, first part stars will be shifted to second part. Very simple code, right? Like this we can implement the program. Okay. I think you got some idea how we are going to generate this pattern. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.